In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Namecheap domain to Blogger. So to do this, what you want to do is first open up Blogger, and within Blogger go to Settings, and then when you scroll down a bit under Publishing, you will see Custom Domain, so go and click on that, and then here go and type in the domain that you bought from Namecheap. So for me it's this right here, and then click Save. Now you need to add www in front of it, but from here, for me, these settings are now already updated. And the reason for this is that I have already connected it to Google Sites, which is another Google product, just like Blogger. But basically what will then happen is it will have you pointed towards Google. So to do that, on Namecheap, just go to your account, then Dashboard. Then here go to your domain list. And then here under your domain, click on the drop down and then Manage. And then here you need to go to Advanced DNS, and then you need to enter this CNAME right here, so CNAME record www, and then ghs.googlehosted.com, and then once you have done that, you're basically pointing it towards Google and therefore also towards Blogger, and then you can just add it just like I have done now. Now sometimes you need to confirm that you actually own a domain, and in order to do that, it will have you create something like this, where you can create a TXT record, where for hosts you can just enter this, and then you need to enter a verification code, and that is something else that you may need to do if you're using it for the first time. But if that is necessary, then you will be prompted to do it. So that's how you can connect your Namecheap domain to Blogger. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.